Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Glitter Gabby. I film makeup videos here on YouTube, so if you're interested in that, you can subscribe down below. I'm going to link some of my makeup looks that I have done on this channel in the description box, so check those out. So let's get started talking about Ipsy Gen Beauty New York City 2018. It was amazing. I went both Saturday and Sunday and I had so much fun. I got to meet a bunch of people. We bonded over makeup. We shared makeup tips. I got to meet Candy Johnson. I took a picture with her. She was so sweet. She was so humble. I've watched her since I was little. Like when I first got YouTube, I got on there, I started watching transformation videos, and I remember her transforming herself into Barbie, and that was one of the videos that I watched, and I subscribed to her. And she has always been like the OG beauty guru, so like to meet her in person was amazing. And she was like, "You're gorgeous," and I'm like, "No, you're gorgeous." And she's like so sweet, like so sweet, honestly. So guys, I got a huge bag of stuff, like huge, absolutely huge. This is everything I got. It's in here, like everything. It's huge. It's so heavy. Like I was carrying that around both days. I had to empty it out, and it's just crazy the amount of product that you get. You get lips, you get eyes, you get skincare, hair care, everything. I'm gonna break down each individual thing that I got. Huge bag, as you can see, emptied out. So I separated it by what I bought, what was in the Ipsy Gen Beauty goodie bag that they give you on the first day. So this is what it looks like. It's just this huge bag. This is what they give you on the first day. And this bag here is full of stuff that they give you for free samples. So this was all the samples I collected both days, and it's like full of stuff. So let's get started on the bag that you get when you purchase your general admission ticket. I'm gonna pick out some of my favorite things that we did get that was included. So I liked these lashes here, the Vegas May. Those were so cute. Also excited to try this product here from The Balm. I have never tried their shadows, their blushes. You know, I've heard such great things about them, but I never got a chance to try them out. So this is a beautiful color called Cabana Boy. It's like this mauve purple blush. It's kind of perfect for fall, actually. Like I'm so excited for that. That's a full-size product. So right there is some money that you're saving. And then we got a Koki nail polish in purple. This is like this really pretty color. I'm actually like into it. Then we got this cream gel liner from the Creme Shop. It's this full-size gel liner. I'm actually really excited to try that as well. And full-size Ofra lipstick. Yes, full-size. I've never tried any Ofra products, but I've heard that they're amazing and creamy, and Naked Tutorials uses them. So this is this really pretty burnt brown color. Like, it's so stunning. Can't wait to try that. And also, I'm excited about this. It's really small. I wish it was a little bigger. But we have here the Watermelon Energizing Aqua Bomb by Pearlesce. I have seen this on Instagram. It looked so calming, so cute, and I love watermelon, so the smell is probably amazing. And also, one of my favorite things that we got for lips was the Glimmer Lip Spark. This is by Absolute Beauty, Absolute New York. It's the Glimmer Lip Spark, and this is a chromatic lip gloss, and it's so glittery, it's so metallic. I've never seen something so pretty. I got the color Topaz, which is like this really pretty mauve purple shade, and it's just so stunning. It's so sparkly. Oh my god. For things that I bought at Gem Beauty, I got the Pixie Rose Oil Blend, rose and pomegranate oil. This smells amazing. I needed an oil, and I've heard great things about Pixie, so I grabbed that up. And then I got the Glow Tonic, which I've also heard amazing things about. Everybody raves about this Glow Tonic, so I had to give this a try. And also I got the Makeup Fixing Mist with rose water and green tea. This smells so good too. So this concludes my Ipsy Gem Beauty 2018 New York City haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can give it a thumbs up down below, subscribe to my channel, and also tap that notification bell so you get notified every time I post a beauty video. Thanks for watching, and bye!